Nobody is supposed to talk about half of what is on this list. Not because it is illegal to know, but because once you know, you cannot unknow it. Watch all the way to number 1. That one specifically. Because after this video, you will never look at a charging cable the same way again. Number 20. High-powered handheld lasers. These are sold as astronomy tools, and honestly, that part is real. Point one at the night sky, and you can trace constellations with a beam visible for miles. But that same beam aimed at a cockpit or a driver's eyes causes permanent retinal damage in under a second. In 2023, a California man received a 14-year federal prison sentence for pointing one at aircraft. The hardware is the same, whether you're stargazing or committing a federal felony. What is at number 19 sounds even more innocent, but the damage it does is different. Number 19. Real-time voice changers. Pocket-sized. Connects live to any call app. Streamers use them to protect their identity online, abuse survivors reroute harassment, and stage actors use them for remote vocal warm-ups. But these same devices are how voice fraud operators impersonate bank representatives, distressed relatives, and law enforcement in real time. Voice fraud is currently the fastest-growing identity crime globally, with losses crossing $5 billion annually in the US alone. One device. Unlimited identities. Number 18. Universal handcuff keys. This sounds like a prop from a magic show until you understand that one universal key opens most standard-issue police handcuffs in seconds. Escape artists carry them. Survivalists pack them as emergency tools. But dark web kits bundle them specifically with other items on this list for people who plan to get detained. Most jurisdictions classify carrying one without documented authorization as a criminal offense on its own. A piece of stamped metal, smaller than a thumbnail, with consequences that stack fast. Number 17. Spy camera glasses and wearable recorders. They look like regular frames. HD recording, wide-angle lens, built-in memory. Journalists documenting human rights abuses in hostile territories have used them to capture evidence where a visible phone would have gotten them killed. Privacy researchers wear them at conferences, but courts across Europe and North America have ruled their use in private settings as illegal surveillance, regardless of who triggered the recording. The recordings are court-admissible in multiple jurisdictions. You probably passed someone wearing a pair today and had no idea. What is coming at 16 does not need to be on your body at all. Number 16. Police-style LED. Emergency lights and sirens. Available on Amazon. Mountable to any vehicle. And criminally illegal for civilian use in virtually every US state and most of the world. Volunteer firefighters, rural emergency responders, and off-grid medics have genuinely saved lives with these. That part is real. But impersonating an emergency vehicle to pull someone over is a felony that has been documented in carjackings, staged robberies, and abduction cases across 3 continents. The hardware is identical. The difference between a hero and a criminal here is entirely about who is behind the wheel. Number 15. Stun gun phone cases. It looks like a standard phone case. It discharges at 1.2 million volts. Personal safety advocates push these because not everyone can legally carry a firearm, and multiple documented cases show women using them to escape assaults. Legitimate purpose. But customs agencies in the UK, Australia, and Canada confiscate them without exception. They have been used in street robberies. One accidental discharge in the wrong pocket, and the result is a hospital visit. The genius of the design is also the danger of it. Nobody suspects the case. And the gadget at 14 is even smaller and infinitely more invisible. Number 14. Magnetic micro earpieces. The size of a fingernail, invisible inside the ear canal. No wire, no visible hardware. Theater actors use them for live prompters. Corporate negotiators reportedly receive real-time coaching through them during high-stakes meetings. Students have used them to cheat professional licensing exams. Several countries now deploy radio frequency scanners at national exams specifically to detect these devices. People have been expelled, disqualified, delicensed, and prosecuted. One device the size of a peppercorn has ended careers. What is at 13 is larger, but operates in complete darkness where none of that matters. Number 13. Advanced Night Vision Units. Generation 3 night vision is what elite military units wear in active combat operations. And yes, some of it is available to civilians. Hunters use it. Wildlife researchers use it for nocturnal field studies. Search and rescue teams have credited Gen 3 units with finding lost hikers alive. But export of these devices outside the United States is governed under ITAR, the International Traffic in Arms Regulations. Possession alone in certain countries triggers immediate arrest. Number 12 does not need darkness. It needs airspace. Number 12. Stealth surveillance drones. Consumer drone frames with noise dampeners, dark paint jobs, and modified camera rigs that disappear against a night sky. Real estate photographers use them. Wildlife conservationists map endangered habitats. But law enforcement agencies across 3 continents have documented their use in prison contraband drops, building reconnaissance before commercial burglaries, and stalking cases that escalated into violence. Multiple jurisdictions now mandate registration and geofencing compliance. Fly one over restricted airspace, and you are looking at federal charges with mandatory fines starting at $27,500. The frame is a consumer product. Intent makes it something entirely different. Number 11 stays on the ground and works through walls. Number 11. Wall wiretap devices and acoustic stethoscopes. These press against surfaces and amplify sound from the other side. Concrete, drywall, even brick walls become transparent. Private investigators have used them in documented fraud and infidelity cases. Landlord-tenant disputes have been resolved in court using recordings made through adjoining walls. Useful in controlled, authorized scenarios. But in most jurisdictions, recording a conversation you are not party to without consent is a straight-up felony. Full stop. One pressed against the wall of a conference room captures an entire meeting happening 20 feet away behind a locked door. Number 10. High-intensity green strobe lasers and aviation interference devices. The legitimate version is an airport bird deterrent. The weaponized version is a 500 milliwatt strobe aimed at aircraft sensors, security cameras, and optical systems to temporarily blind them. Security researchers have used these to expose vulnerabilities in surveillance infrastructure for authorized clients. But the FAA has repeatedly prosecuted civilians who aimed them near aircraft, a handheld device, a federal sentence. That math should stop anyone. Number 9. Compact thermal imagers. These clip onto your phone. FLIR and similar brands sell them openly. HVAC technicians use them to find heat leaks. Electricians use them to detect overheating circuits before fires ignite. Firefighters use professional versions to locate bodies in smoke-filled buildings. Real utility genuinely saves lives. But thermal imagers are also used to detect whether a building is occupied before unauthorized entry, to locate people hiding, and to identify heat signatures of electronics concealed inside hotel rooms. You are not invisible to heat. Number 8. Spy GPS trackers. The size of a matchbox, magnetic mount, 2-week battery, real-time location broadcast to any smartphone. Fleet companies track drivers with them. Parents monitor teenage drivers. Domestic violence advocates have helped survivors use them to document stalking patterns for court evidence. That use case is real, and it matters. But the same hardware is weaponized by stalkers, jealous partners, and organized criminal groups running vehicle surveillance before carjackings. Attaching one to a vehicle without the owner's knowledge or consent is illegal in every jurisdiction that has addressed it. The device is legal. The application decides everything. Number 7. RTL-SDR. This looks like a USB flash drive. It costs $15, and it turns any laptop into a software-defined radio receiver capable of pulling signals across a massive frequency spectrum. Aviation enthusiasts use it to track live commercial flights. Amateur radio operators use it for legitimate signal exploration. Security researchers have used it to expose critical vulnerabilities in public infrastructure. But the same device lets someone intercept unencrypted radio transmissions, decode signals from older RFID-based access systems, and monitor frequencies most people do not know exist. $15. No license required in most countries to own. Number 6 uses what this captures and runs with it directly. Number 6. Car key relay and signal capture devices. 2 people, 2 devices. One stands near your house. One stands near your parked car. The device by your house amplifies the key fob sitting on your kitchen counter. The device by your car captures that amplified signal and unlocks the door. No broken glass. No alarm. The whole operation takes under 15 seconds. Vehicle security engineers use relay simulators to test manufacturer systems. Thieves have used them to hollow out neighborhoods of luxury vehicles overnight. The UK insurance industry attributes billions in annual vehicle theft losses to relay attacks. Number 5 takes an entirely different route to get inside things. Number 5. Electric lockpick devices. A cordless handheld device that vibrates a pick at high frequency while rotational tension is applied. With basic practice, most standard pin tumbler locks open in under 30 seconds. Locksmiths carry them every day. Security auditors use them to demonstrate building access vulnerabilities to corporate clients. Emergency services use them during lockouts. Legitimate, professional, necessary in those contexts. But legislation across most countries has not caught up to how freely they are sold online. The mechanical skill barrier to unauthorized entry dropped significantly the day these became commercially available. Number 4. Power outlet hidden cameras. It looks exactly like a USB charging block. It fits any standard wall socket. Records 4K video, detects motion, and streams live over Wi-Fi to any device. Airbnb hosts have legally placed them in common areas with disclosed signage. Retail loss prevention departments use similar setups openly. But these devices are at the center of hundreds of documented voyeurism prosecutions across the US, Asia, and Europe. Number 3. Lawmate PV-RC400UW Key Fob Covert Camera. This is not a consumer novelty. This is professional law enforcement-grade covert recording hardware. Investigative journalists in conflict zones have used key fob cameras to document corruption and criminal confessions where a visible camera would have ended the story immediately, and possibly the journalist. The footage quality is court-admissible in multiple jurisdictions, but in civilian hands, recording someone in a private setting without disclosure is illegal in most countries, regardless of how sophisticated the hardware is. It looks exactly like a car key. Records 4K with audio. The person holding this device in any meeting controls the entire narrative of that room. Number 2. Proxmark 3. This is the device that keeps corporate cybersecurity professionals awake. The Proxmark 3 reads, clones, and emulates RFID and NFC cards, hotel room keys, office building access badges, transit payment cards, even chips in older passports. Security penetration testers carry it legally under signed client contracts to audit access control systems. The research it generates has hardened corporate infrastructure globally. But a cloned hotel keycard takes under 60 seconds to produce with this device. No drilling, No bypassing. You walk through the door like you were issued that key at check-in. It does not need to announce itself in any way. Number 1. The OMG cable. It looks like the cable that's shipped with your phone. It charges your device. It transfers files. And while it does both of those things perfectly, a hidden microcontroller inside the cable runs a wireless payload that logs every keystroke you type, opens a remote access tunnel back to whoever controls it, and stays active even after you unplug it. Security researcher MG built the original to expose how dangerously organizations trust physical hardware. Red teams use it under authorized contracts to demonstrate catastrophic access vulnerabilities to enterprise clients. A cable version of a $20,000 NSA-grade implant now sells through cybersecurity channels for under $200. It is undetectable by firewalls. If this video just rewired how you see everyday objects, drop a comment with the gadget that hit hardest. Share this with someone who thinks they are too smart to get played, because overconfidence is the actual vulnerability. Subscribe right now, because the next video goes even deeper into the hardware. Stay curious. Stay ahead.